Hey Embracers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erin here. Today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. If you read the title correctly, hold on, I'm adjust this lighting. That's better. Okay, so if you read the title correctly, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. My movie premieres today, which I'm super excited. I have my MUA here.
Ooh, that's terrible lighting. Go back.
Oh, I need to go a little bit lighter. There we go. She's gonna hook me up, y'all. She's gonna get me snatched and beat.
Good night. Okay.
And so, yeah, we only have like about an hour and a half to do this, so you know we gotta get started. And I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me in the process. I know I keep moving.
Okay.
So what are you putting on now? What's the first step that we're doing? Primer. And if you guys have seen any of my videos, I normally don't use primer. I just use foundation and concealer, and that's about it. So I don't think I'm going to talk during the process. I think I'm just going to do a montage of it, and yeah. You all can see the first thing we are applying is primer. I'm not sure which primer she is using, but all I know is that it's primer on my face, and she's just using her finger to blend it in on my skin.
Ryan Little.
We are just brushing out our eyebrows, and we are filling them in with the eyebrow pencil. I know that a majority of the products we're using are by Anastasia Beverly Hills and MAC, but if you guys want the products that we use in this video, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and that can be a separate video for you guys. The next thing we are doing is concealing our eyebrows, and yeah, that's pretty much self-explanatory. She's just basically outlining the eyebrow with concealer, and then just to give it a cleaner look and a more finished look as well. We are just using the beauty blender, and we are blending all of that concealer that she had put on my eyebrows and blending it in. Next, we are applying some foundation all over my skin, and then she is using a Real Technique brush and blending all of that foundation evenly into my skin.
RYANLITTLE.
You know I
I don't ever play no games. You know I don't ever complicate.
Does it look okay? Oh, baby, here.
Oh my God,
I'm laughing. So you guys, my cousin finished doing my makeup and I love it. Like, it's really natural. She gave me just what I asked for. Like, Cosmo K, you did the daggone thing, girl. I love it. I love it. Cosmo K. Stay tuned, y'all, because
Cosmo K is the best thing.
you better look out. Okay, you better watch out. But yeah, so I'm gonna I don't know what I'm doing next. My mom's gonna fix my hair because it's not the way I really like it. So we're gonna get that fixed and I'll see you guys during that process. So my mom just flat ironed my hair and my cousin, y'all, she really did the dang thing. Like, she did my hair, she did my makeup flawlessly. Like, I'm telling y'all, I don't know.
I'm looking at the wrong thing.
The viewfinder. I do that all the time. DMV area, I'll make sure I put her information. I'll give it to y'all if you ask for it. Otherwise, you won't know about it. Your face might look a mess. It's like, no, I don't do that. But now I'm just gonna chill out. We have about an hour before I'm gonna like take pictures and put my shoes on. So this is probably it as far as talking. As you guys are gonna see from me, I am not doing a vlog. This is just to get ready with me. You guys are gonna see my full outfit. I'll insert pictures after this. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to embrace you because you're beautiful just the way you are, and I love you guys. Bye.